Naloxone comes in a variety of forms. Another intramuscular or injectable form comes in an auto-injector device. Now when you get this kit, you will actually have one trainer that looks like this, as well as 2 doses that have the active medication. This trainer will walk you through the way you would use the device should you ever need it for someone who's overdosed. The thigh muscle, or the outside of the thigh, is what is recommended most by the company for administration of this product. This device contains active medication as well as needle, and it will tell you exactly how to use it.